KCAL News meteorologist Paul Deanno is back with your next weather forecast. Paul?
Yeah, when you get a burn scar, you get two things. One, the ground stops absorbing the water as efficiently, so more stuff becomes runoff. And two, you've got a lot of debris at the top there, the stuff that burned. Gravity wins. If you introduce water to it, too much water, it's going to be moving, and that will be a problem tomorrow, not today. Why? Because the rainfall rates are about 1/20th today what they will be tomorrow. This is light rain, but rain nonetheless in northern Orange County, eastern LA County, also Chino Hills, Pomona, Glendora, La Habra, Anaheim, Orange getting some rainfall right now. And the next wave of rain you can see coming in, it's once again light rainfall, but impacting the Santa Barbara and Ventura coastline as far south now as Oxnard. That's the light stuff. The heavy stuff tomorrow may total from midnight to midnight Thursday, 2 inches of rainfall in Los Angeles. We haven't done that since February 4th of last year. That's 374 days ago. We likely will do that tomorrow. So today, light rain flooding is not expected. Today is not a flooding day. Tomorrow has the potential to be one of our bigger flooding days because soaking rain will develop overnight. Now the flood threat builds throughout the morning. It's still raining. It's still raining. It's still. Then we get a cold front coming through. If you lived in the Midwest or lived in Texas, when a cold front comes through, that rain really picks up. We get that tomorrow, and that'll spike the flooding concern at some point in time between 4 o'clock Thursday to 4 a.m. Friday. A big window because the front's going to be moving through. It's not going to hit all of us at the same time. But there is a flood watch for almost all of us. The Antelope Valley is the only exception. All of the Inland Empire, Orange County, LA County, and the average rainfall prediction from all of our forecast models. Add all of that information together. What's the average? Because they do different versions of the same computer model. About 2 1/3 inches of rain tomorrow. The bottom 5%, like the bottom of the bottom, is still 1.8 inches rain. That's kind of that's the least we're going to get. That's a lot of rain. The most, the top 5%, it's about 5.5 inches of rainfall. That will be a lot. We certainly don't want that. 2 inches will likely be enough to cause some widespread flooding in those burn zones. Today, light rain, but boy, light temperatures as well. Ontario, 15 degrees cooler than average, 53 degrees for a high today. Your normal is 68, so very chilly. Pretty simple terms here. Want to keep it simple for us so we all can figure out what's going on. It's one big storm. The weaker part of it is moving through today, light rain. The stronger part of it is what we get tomorrow, moderate to heavy rain with the actual front, which is still sitting off the Northern California coastline. I can show you the same thing with Futurecast. Lighter precipitation, the greens. We get that today, even a break around 5 o'clock. Not many of us are getting rain at all. And then tomorrow morning, well, greens just became yellows. What does that mean? It means moderate rainfall. Oranges, moderate to heavy rainfall. That's here tomorrow morning as early as 6 o'clock. During the day, it's pouring. Now we got a lot of yellow. Now we got a lot of orange. And watch this, by 5, 6 o'clock as the front comes through, now we've gone red. Well, that's about an inch of rain per hour. So red is not good in a post-fire environment like we live in now. The wettest hour, this computer model says, is about 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. But then it moves out. We'll have just a few mountain and foothill showers on Friday, but there's always a lag time. The water's not going to magically disappear. The flooding threat will continue into Friday. Next weather extended forecast. Light rain today, heavy rain tomorrow. Flooding threat continues through Friday morning. Rain does move out for the weekend. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Paul.
Driving in Southern California can be, well, you know, slow.
KCAL traffic keeps you moving.
With the where, when, and which way to go.
Be prepared for now and what's next. Next traffic on KCAL News. Now you can get your KCAL News, weather, and live stream all in one place on the CBS News app. Download it free today.